Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Home remedies to get rid of croup cough. Turmeric. Turmeric, being packed with anti-inflammatory agent named curcumin and volatile oils, alleviates inflammation in air passages and calms the sore and scratchy throat of your child. Stir 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder in 1 glass of hot water and give it to your child to drink 2 times a day. Alternatively, put 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder in 1 cup of warm water, bring it to boil for 2 minutes. Then remove it from flame, stir in a little of lemon juice and raw honey, then give it to your child to drink it 2 times a day. Honey. The antioxidant and antibiotic qualities of honey add enough strength to your child's immune system to fight itself against the virus. It is effectively, especially in case your child is above 1 year of age. Combine 2 teaspoons of raw honey with 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and give it your child twice or thrice a day. Alternatively, stir 1 teaspoon of raw honey in a cup of warm milk or water and give it to your child twice or thrice a day. Essential oil massage. It is an effective remedy for how to get rid of croup cough. Massaging essential oil on the chest your child relaxes the stiff muscles and improve the breathing. Combine 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil with 10 to 15 drops of oregano oil and apply this mixture on the chest of your child and massage it there for a couple of minutes before bedtime. Alternatively, stir 10 drops of eucalyptus oil in ½ cup of warm extra virgin olive oil and massage of your child with this oil mixture before bedtime. Ginger. Thanks to its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antitussive, cough suppressant, and antiviral properties which make it a great remedy for treating croup cough. Steep ½ cup of thin slices of ginger and 2 cinnamon sticks in 6 cups of water on low flame for 20 minutes. Then remove it from flame, strain it and stir in a pinch of raw honey, then give it to your child several times a day. Sponge bath. Cool water sponge bath is good as it regulates the temperature of your child's body. Dip a washcloth in room temperature tap water. Wring out excess water to prevent dripping and sponge your child's feet, hands, groin, and armpits. Do it twice or thrice a day.